Folks, are you tired of app fatigue when it comes to AI? With so many different models and platforms to choose from, landing on the best can feel like an endless, confusing quest. My name is Daniel, and today we're cutting through the noise with a hands-on look at UseAI. This is an all-in-one platform that throws over 20 powerhouse models into a single easy dashboard. In this video, we'll break down what UseAI actually is, demo a side-by-side model battle for both text and image generation, and help you figure out if this workspace is actually worth your time. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. And now, let's dive in. Alright guys, let me explain the basics. Simply put, UseAI is like a central command center for anyone who relies on artificial intelligence daily. Instead of juggling a million tabs and separate subscriptions, you get access to dozens of major AI models. I'm talking about GPT, Claude, Gemini, and many others. And the best part is, it's all under one roof and for one price. The goal is to remove frustration from switching tools, give creators more flexibility, and help you truly see which model does the job best for your needs. This tool was built for writers, researchers, devs, and anyone who wants lots of AI muscle, without the chaos. I want to point out a few key advantages, my friends. First up is seamless multi-model access. You're not locked into one AI. You can switch instantly between different AI models, with zero fuss or reloads. Unlimited switching means no waiting, testing, or burning extra credits. The clean, distraction-free interface cuts out tab chaos and lets you focus on results, not navigation. Now guys, in practice, UseAI handles real-world tasks like writing YouTube scripts, planning research, orchestrating code, and running translations. It also supports voice input and multi-language answers, making it a good fit for global use. The main advantage is being able to compare how different models tackle the same problem. This gives you new perspectives for brainstorming and troubleshooting. This is what we're going to test in a moment. Alright my friends, before we jump into the battle, let's take a quick tour of the UseAI interface. Over on the left, you've got your navigation panel. Here you can jump back into previous chats, and if your chat history is messy, just use the search bar to find what you need fast. You can also create projects, and once you've got one set up, it's so simple to drop any conversation into it to keep everything organized. At the bottom, you'll find account settings. You can also switch to a more elegant dark mode, or keep it in light if you prefer. Now folks, let's move on to the drop-down menu with a huge selection of AI models. Here you'll find popular options from OpenAI and Anthropic, and even Google's flagship Gemini 3 Pro model. You can also discover rarer models, like Llama 3.3 or Kimi K2. Right below the chat box you'll see a bunch of conversation starters. And of course, you can do the usual power user stuff here. Attach files for the AI to work with, generate images, or turn on web search. But here's what I really like. You can just dictate your prompts instead of typing everything out. For me, that little feature feels like a cheat code. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Alright my friends, let's jump to the fun part, the tests. First, I'm selecting Anthropic's top model, Claude Opus 4.5, and giving it a nice, straightforward challenge. Honestly, this isn't rocket science. Even a human could handle it. Add up the numbers, spot the mistake in a list of monthly expenses, and then explain why it's actually an error. As you can see, thinking mode kicks in, and Claude Opus quickly calculates the total. Then it decides the error is in the rent item, adding 160 points to it. Still, the model correctly mentions that the sum was 10 points short. It explains its choice by saying that 850 is a very low rent, even though no currency was specified. Sometimes AI can make assumptions like this. Well, that's the answer we got. The model did run the calculations, but it basically made an assumption and built its conclusion around that. Now let's keep moving, guys. I switched over to OpenAI's most economical option and gave it the exact same task. And this one immediately flags that the total doesn't add up, which is a good start. But then GPT-4o Mini suggests lowering the groceries number with zero explanation. Different opinion, but without reasoning. It's more of a guess than a proper answer. The third test subject was Llama 3.3. It simply calculated the total, said the sum was wrong, and didn't suggest changing any of the items. In my opinion, that's the most logical and correct answer. Alright folks, next I'm going to run a second test in the same chat. Generate an image of a castle in the sky. Here's what Llama gave me. It's pretty cartoonish. Honestly, it has strong Disney castle vibes. DeepSeek delivers something similar, but the mood is totally different, darker, cloudier, and more dramatic overall. Then I tried Kimi K2, and this one went in the opposite direction, brighter, more cheerful, and super pleasant to look at. Definitely a nice result too. Now, I'm not even going to pretend I can pick a clear winner here, so I'll let you decide. Drop a comment and tell me which image you think is the best quality. Llama, DeepSeek, or Kimi. Before we wrap up, guys, a quick note on pricing. Use.AI offers a trial for less than $1, so you can test most of the features without risk. Paid plans are monthly or annual, but those vary based on usage and tier. No need to commit until you know if it actually helps your workflow. Here's the bottom line, guys. Use.AI makes it painless to see side by side which AI model fits your task, whether you're writing, coding, doing research, or creating visuals. If you work with AI regularly, this could be a big productivity boost. It saves time and makes your experience smooth and pleasant. So let me ask you, which model output surprised you most? Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.